Hey guys, so I had a chance to check out a room at Pop Century. This is an ADA wheelchair handicap accessible room. So we still have obviously the curtains, you got the Murphy bed, dining room table situation. The beds are lower, which was kind of interesting. And then of course the bathroom's a major difference with the pull bars, raised toilet. You can put the wheelchair right underneath the sink, and of course there's bars in the tub as well. So still it's a great option for somebody that needs these kind of accommodations. We're at the Pop Century.